Today, we have a lot of improvement, a lot of progress in Somalia. Challenges are still there in place, but whatever we have today has happened with the help of AMISOM, particularly with the help of the leadership of AMISOM by the Uganda government and the Uganda forces. We know that blood has been shed, tears has been shed during this time, but I would like to assure the Ugandan people and the Ugandan government that Somalia today is standing back its own feet because of the blood that your beloved ones have paid and contributed to Somalia. The government of Somalia has confined all these 22 years in Mogadishu, and many times in a very small corner of Mogadishu. Today we are moving, we are reaching out the different regions and the different parts of Somalia. Today we are chasing Al-Shabaab. Today we are building new administrations, local administrations in different regions and different districts in many parts of Somalia. Today we have a national army that we are proud of it, and this national army has come through a major contribution by the troop contributing countries of the AMISOM forces. And Uganda has played a major role in establishing the national army we're having today, training them, supporting them. This is your country. Feel free to come anytime you feel. Thank you.